Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's tap on apps. Here we have to scroll down and find special app access, and right here let's localize install unknown apps. And as you can see, right here we've got the apps, the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something. So basically all you have to do in order to allow a particular app to install some content is to simply tap on it and tap on the switcher. Now after getting back, you can see that the Edge is allowed to install something, just like the Chrome above it. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, and because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So basically it will work the same with all other apps. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher, and of course you can turn off all previously given permissions. Just tap on it again and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Edge is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.